At AROSA Systems, protection is not just a feature, it is our purpose. For years, we have specialized in advanced spark detection, metal diversion, and fire prevention technologies designed to protect industrial processes, valuable equipment, and most importantly, people. In industries where a single spark can cause devastating damage, prevention is everything. That's why AROSA Systems develops intelligent, responsive solutions engineered to detect hazards at their earliest stage, before they become incidents. Our ACD and ASD diverter systems are designed with precision and reliability in mind. Every component is carefully engineered, every system thoroughly tested, and every installation tailored to meet the specific needs of our clients. But technology alone is not enough. Behind every system is a team of experienced engineers, technicians, and specialists who understand the real challenges faced by modern manufacturing facilities. We work closely with our partners to design solutions that integrate seamlessly into existing production lines without disrupting efficiency. From initial consultation and design to manufacturing, testing, and final installation, we maintain complete control over quality. Our production process reflects our commitment to durability, performance, and long-term reliability. We believe that safety should never be an afterthought. It should be built into the foundation of every operation. At AROSA Systems, innovation drives us forward. We continuously refine our technologies to meet evolving industry standards and the increasing demands of automated production environments. Our systems are trusted across multiple sectors where dust, sparks, and metal contaminants present real risks. With every project, our goal remains the same: minimize downtime, prevent damage, and protect what matters most. Partnership is at the core of what we do. We collaborate closely with clients, integrators, and agents around the world, ensuring that each solution delivers measurable value and dependable performance. Because when safety is critical, reliability is non-negotiable. AROSA Systems, engineered protection, intelligent prevention, and peace of mind for industrial operations worldwide.